In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram folders. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized chat list that makes it effortless to focus on what matters, whether that's work, family, or your favorite news channels. First, open Telegram. You can use the mobile app, the desktop app, or the web version, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to organize. If you're on desktop or web, keep Telegram visible so you can immediately see the changes you make. If something in your interface looks different from what I describe, don't worry. Telegram updates often. The names are consistent, even if the layout shifts slightly. Next, go to Settings. On desktop and web, look for the gear icon, usually in the bottom left corner. On mobile, open the menu and choose Settings from there. This is your control center for everything related to your account and how your chats are displayed. Inside Settings, tap Chat Folders. This is where you group conversations into tabs that sit at the top of your chat list. If you don't see chat folders, update your app to the latest version and try again. Once you're in, you'll see options to create and customize folders. Tap Create New Folder. You're starting a blank tab that will later show up alongside all chats. This keeps your main inbox intact while giving you a dedicated space for selected conversations. Now give your folder a name. Keep it short and clear. Names like work, family, projects, news, or personal. Make it obvious what belongs there at a glance. A good name helps you quickly switch context without hunting through a long list of chats. Tap Add Chats to choose what goes into this folder. You can select specific groups, channels, or individual users. Think about your goal. For example, include only your team groups and key direct messages for a work folder, or add news channels and communities for a news folder. Depending on your app version, you may also see handy filters like groups, channels, or bots that help you include common types faster, as well as options to automatically include unread or muted chats. Take a moment to review your selections so the folder matches how you plan to use it. When you're happy, save your settings by tapping the check mark or create. Your new folder appears as a tab at the top of your chat list. Switch to it anytime to see just those conversations. You can come back to chat folders to rename, reorder, or tweak the contents later, and repeat the same process to create more folders for different needs. Enjoy your tidier, more focused Telegram experience.